So here we have the DJI Pocket 3. DJI Pocket 3. So we have here. Damn, bro! I'm so freaking excited. Is here. I think I should. So first things first, I need to download the app, the DJI Pocket one, so I can connect it and okay, Mimo. So DJI Mimo. And yeah, let's wait and let's see. Agree. Okay, so it just arrived my package and let's open it. So this is the screen protector. Yeah, oh my god. So this is the DJI Pocket 3 using right now, and this is the quality, and yeah. Let's try other things. Let's go. Hi. So first thing first, we're gonna try the wide angle lens. So I have it in here, you can see it. And let's try it. So this is the wide angle lens. So let's try other things. So let's try the microphone. So this is the microphone. So you have two options to wear it. First one, the clip. And yeah, you have there. And the second one is with the magnet, because on the back there's a magnet here. The magnet. And here we have the so there's a magnet here, and you just attach it. And you don't have to worry about, because the magnet is very strong, so you don't have to worry that that's gonna fall. So yeah. And I have another option. I have the cover of the camera, and here on the top you can put the microphone. So you can like use like a mic with the... Okay, can you hear me? Okay, so this is the microphone. So next thing is the charger. Not charger. Basically it's a power bank. I very happy that they create this power bank. So basically that's why I bought the combo creator, because of this, and of course the wide angle lens. We have here the tripod, like you have to connect it with the handle things, the little one that I have on my camera right now. One last thing, you need to download the DJI Mimo, because you can connect your camera on the phone and control it on the phone. Here we have the app. Just connect your camera on the app and let's just wait. Here we have it. Okay, this is how it is. So if you just need a little bit on the right, I can do that. Oh, you want to see that? You want to see that? Just let me show you guys. Can you see it? Oh, you want to see more? Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. I was just controlling it on the phone, and that's freaking amazing, and that's very useful if you vlog alone. You can zoom it. Hi guys. Or you can move it around. Just one click. That's freaking amazing. So let's try the rotation one, because I'm quite excited about that. So yeah, let's try that. And now let's try the 90 rotation. And let's go to other side. So now let's try the face track. Amazing. Oh, let's try with the object. You need to do is just create a square and the camera track you. If you want with the object, just do the same with you want to track. Okay, so now I'm tracking this. If you want to know more about DJI Pocket or more content about DJI Pocket 3, just comment down below and just let me know, guys. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye. Ciao ciao.